How to draw an isometric television. First, setting your canvas 850 pixel by 850 pixel and DPI 300. And then turn on the drawing guide and edit it to isometric. It's at the bottom. Yep. Select isometric, and then the background will change. And we will use gel pen brush and select black color. For brush size, we use 3%. Okay, start to draw now. Okay, adjust the size of television and move it a little bit to the top. And I'm going to draw a TV stand. And then it's done.